In this video, we will talk about Top 5 Gaming Metaverse Projects in 2022. So make sure to watch the full video. Hi guys! Welcome to a new video from RS Technology. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Metaverse projects have snatched the spotlight of the crypto stage, with tech giants like Microsoft and Facebook launching their own metaverse projects that look out of this world. The new virtual reality seems ready to disrupt the world. The metaverse market was worth less than $50 billion as of 2020, while the same is expected to reach $280 billion by 2025, as reported by EarthWeb. Just recently, Facebook changed its name to Meta, the prefix of the word metaverse, which gave a great boost to most metaverse-based cryptocurrencies. This year has given metaverse fans plenty of projects to be excited about. Today, we will go through the top 5 gaming metaverse projects any crypto gaming enthusiast should know about. With talk of the metaverse now regularly hitting headlines, the world is getting excited about the prospect of inhabiting digital worlds. Through a combination of existing tech, crypto, and virtual reality, metaverse projects are set to revolutionize the way in which we interact with each other, both socially and professionally. For many, metaverse projects represent the next stage of the internet, with crypto technology essential to establish true ownership within digital spaces. With Facebook and Mark Zuckerberg breaking the red ribbon to enter the metaverse, Facebook's brand name change to Meta is a red alert for all investors and people in the blockchain community that there's something big in the metaverse. The metaverse and the NFT boom is super hot right now. Just as exciting it is, we are all also going to see a lot of changes happening in the next 3 to 5 years. Most notably in the virtual reality and augmented reality segments, where the metaverse can fully thrive. This is where the Facebook's complete brand name change really comes into play, as Mark Zuckerberg has been working on the VR technology for several years now, with his development of his VR product called the Oculus Rift and Oculus Quest. Metaverse represents a highly immersive, shared virtual reality that allows individuals to play games, socialize, and go to work. The term metaverse is made of 2 prefixes. Meta stands for behind or beyond, or even more comprehensive, while the second word of the term, verse, derives from the word universe, and it stands for area, sphere, or a fictional world. Metaverse is correlated with the development of Web 3.0 built on the blockchain, which basically will empower access and authority and soften the tie of the largest tech brands. The concept of metaverse isn't entirely new. The early 2000s introduced the world with plenty of metaverse foreigners, including the well-known Second Life by Linden Lab and Habbo Hotel by Sulake. They had both caught the attention of early metaverse enthusiasts, with Second Life still being used by more than 200,000 users daily. 1. Blitopia. Blitopia presents a creative twist to virtual reality. Rather than building a massive map of the land, the creative team of Blitopia has come up with a vertically stacked environment where users can play, earn, learn, and create. Blitopia is a 21-level metaverse skyscraper, paying homage to the 21 million coin supply of the first cryptocurrency, Bitcoin. Just like in other metaverses, users can buy, sell, and own virtual properties. NFT on Blitopia come in the form of Reblock, Adblock, and Job, which generate revenue through virtual real estate and adverting, respectively, presenting a great opportunity for passive income in form of block dollar tokens to the owners. Blitopia has closed successful fundraising campaigns, including the VC deal with Bull Perks and IDO deals with Red Kite, Seedity, Oxbow, and TrustPad. Also, the team has so far announced partnerships with some of the biggest players in the industry, including Elrond Network, Animoca Brands, and Qcoin, which has made the project grab the spotlight of the crypto world. Also, the Binance NFT has just recently set its very own office in the Block Metaverse. In Blitopia's virtual world, users will be able to visit the offices and virtually engage with the team, allowing brands to improve engagement and relationships with their users. 2. Decentraland. Decentraland was founded in 2017 and is one of the first metaverse platforms built on the Ethereum network. The project's NFT-based model allows individuals to buy from the limited number of 90,601 in-game land plots. Each land includes a total of 16 square meters, and the owner can build and improve it the way they wish for more in-game benefits or simply sell it for a profit. Decentraland's Metaverse ecosystem operates under its native token. Dollar token holders are given the right to vote on policy changes and propose details on land listings. Free, the Sandbox. Sandbox is an NFT-based metaverse where users can play, build, and monetize their assets. The platform's virtual world built by the Sandbox is community-driven and a great representation of the basic principles of decentralization. The user-generated content environment of the platform has its own NFT marketplace where players can buy and sell in-game land and estate for a more immersive experience. The transaction inside the platform is done through its official token SandDollar. Additionally, the SandDollar token holders are offered access to the platform's exclusive features together with governing rights in staking. 4. High Street. High Street is an NFT-based gamified shopping experience supported by Ethereum and Polygon Network. High Street differs from other metaverse projects in the list as it offers a part digital, part physical, phygital, hybrid virtual experience, bringing the retail industry to a whole new level. NFT are an essential part of High Street's ecosystem. The in-game NFT characters, known as FOMO ducks, enable users to buy, sell, and own real-life items, and allow brands to reach their crypto-enthusiastic customers. Also, users will be able to earn tokens by simply spending time playing the game or completing quests. 5. Metahero. Metahero is one of the first platforms to bring 3D scanning and modeling technology to a metaverse. This technology, coming to life with the assistance of their partners, Wolf Studio, allows users to effortlessly transform their real-world assets into NFT for a metaverse. The incorporation of meta scanners in the metaverse offers plenty of revolutionary use cases, including 3D printing, scanning network, and building of in-game characters. While the 4K HD scanners are already functional, the team is planning to upgrade to 16K Ultra HD in the near future. Metahero's native token, $, is used for transactions within the platform such as buying and selling assets in the marketplace, paying for scans and royalties. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also, subscribe to our channel before you go. Thank you for watching.